Hi everyone! For this lab, you'll be using Oreo cookies to create a model to help demonstrate and understand the phases of the moon. For this lab, you will obviously need some Oreo cookies, a pen to label and number your moon phases, a fork and spoon to help you with the Oreos, some napkins to help clean up, a plate to use in the sun, and of course, paper. This is what the lab should look like when finished, with sunlight coming in from the right. This is what the moon phases would look like from space. Half of the moon is always illuminated with sunlight reflecting off its surface. Here we have the views of the moon as seen from Earth. These are the moon phases we see from Earth. And we start with a new moon, then waxing crescent, first quarter, waxing gibbous, full moon, waning gibbous, last quarter, and waning crescent. This activity is really great for students because it allows them to visually see Earth-Moon phases, and it conquers the objective as well as the next generation science standards. It allows students to visually see how half the moon is always illuminated, and that's what astronauts would see from space. For how we see the moon phases on Earth, it would depend on our standing perspective. Students will also learn the phases of the moon before a solar and lunar eclipse. For a solar eclipse, the phase of the moon before that is called a new moon, and that's when the moon is between the sun and the Earth. For a lunar eclipse, it is when the moon is behind the Earth. So the Earth is in the middle of the sun and the moon, and the phase before that would be a full moon. Thank you.